Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we've got a daily chart of the E-mini here, and what you can see is, for the last 4 or 5 days, we've really been pressing up on that 1390 support, while resistance has kind of drifted away from the upper Bollinger Band. But what we saw yesterday on the move up to not quite 1410 up into the 1409 area was that we finally got what looks like kind of a topping candle. So the question today is, can the bears follow through on that action? And the definition for me, at least on my chart, is follow through is going to be a close, not a trade, but a close below 1390. So we've really got to see how the bears react today. I think if they can close below 1390, then a pullback to that green line there, the middle Bollinger Band, down at 1377 is not out of the question. But if we're just going to go down to 1390 again and touch that line, then basically all the bears have done is let the bulls kind of reload, get a little more powder, potentially for another run up to the 1415 area. So the ball is absolutely in the bears' court, but it's up to them to pick it up and run with it. Okay, and what we've got here now is a 15-minute chart of the mini. You can see the 1409 half high from yesterday. The current trade's 1399.75, and that daily 3-day pivot area now has moved to 1402.67 to essentially 1401. You can see price bumping up against the 3-day pivot. It's been doing it since 2 in the morning, and it's acting as resistance. If this stays true, and we'll have to see how things play out through the open and into the day. But if that pivot zone wants to be resistance, that opens the door for a break of the 1397 area, which gets a potential test of 1392, and then allows for a close of 1390. Now, I'm not putting any kind of a time limit on the bears, saying that they must close below 1390 today. That would be ideal for them. But you do want to see that 1390 close in the next session or two, or it's just going to embolden the bulls to dip by and run things back up to highs. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 1399.75. On the upside, you've got the pivot zone there, 1401 through 1402.67, then 1404, 1408, 1412, 1415. On the downside, 1395.28, 1393, 1388 half, 1386.67, 1379.70, 1377.33, 1372 quarter. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. I will be appearing this afternoon on the Traders Network radio show. There's a link in with the post today. It'll be 3:30 Eastern Time, 2:30 Central. Hope you can join me, and always great to talk to Mike Yorba about some great stuff. Trade 'em well, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow.